Welcome to Mrs. Fairbanks' math class. Today we're going to be doing some quadratic regression. You are going to need your calculator. So I've got my TI-84. This table represents the height of a football after it's kicked. So the time is in seconds and the height is in feet. Let's go to your calculator, turn it on. Let's hit the stat button and stay right on edit and hit enter. The first thing you're going to want to do is to clear your lists. Always start with fresh lists so that you don't have extra data in there to mess you up. So you want to use your up arrow and go on top of list 1 and hit clear and enter. Don't hit delete because then you'll delete your whole column. Then you want to go over to list 2 and hit clear and enter as well. Then you are ready to enter your data. So you're going to enter your X's into list 1, hitting enter each time, and enter your Y's into list 2. Now that you have your data in your calculator, we're going to tell the calculator to perform the regression. So I'm going to put the calculator buttons up. So to enter our data, we went to stat, we stayed in edit, enter your X's into list 1 and enter your Y's into list 2. So now we're going to actually perform the regression. And you're going to go back to stat, over to calc, and then you want to scroll down. We're looking for number 5, which is our quadratic regression. So stat, over to calc, down to quadratic regression, and then you're going to enter all the way through. You'll see at the top it gives you the standard form of the quadratic. It gives you your a, b, and c, and then your r squared value. In this case, r squared is 1, meaning it's a perfect quadratic fit. So you want to take your a, b, and c value, plug those into your equation, and write your model. You should have gotten a to be negative 16, b to be 70, and c to be 3. So there's your model. That represents the football traveling through time. And now we can use that model and make predictions. So I would like you to make a prediction of how high the ball will be after 1.25 seconds. So first you want to figure out that the 1.25 is your x. So I'm asking you, when x is 1.25, what is y? When you plug that in, being careful with your negatives and parentheses, you should get 65.5 feet after 1.25 seconds traveled.